19X, the pistol Army should have chosen. Why? It's perfectly balanced in your hand. M17 too top heavy due to the big chunk of steel slab on the slide. The outer box floor is flimsy plastic without even a mag insert enlargement. Almost impossible to release that slide without touching the safety. The side arrangement also quite poor for 6 hours. The front side is too tall. The gap between front side and rear side is too big to shoot this pistol accurately. Trigger here is a dream. Modular trigger is without a saw. If you were a soldier, which one would you choose? Comment below.